Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many HP Color Laserjet owners might find incredibly useful: the ADFZAT 121A toner cartridge replacement. This isn't just any toner. It's designed to be a seamless and high-quality alternative for a range of popular HP Color Laserjet printers, specifically the 1500, 1500L, 2500, 2500L, 2500N, and 2500TN models. For anyone who's ever cringed at the price of original HP cartridges, this compatible option from ADFZAT promises to deliver without breaking the bank. Upon unboxing, one immediately notices the robust packaging, ensuring the cartridge arrives in perfect condition. The specific cartridge being discussed, or at least the one highlighted by its vibrant blue color, fits perfectly into the HP Color Laserjet series. Installation is often a point of concern with third-party cartridges, but the ADFZAT 121A proved to be remarkably straightforward. It slides into place with the same satisfying click as an OEM cartridge, and the printer recognized it without any fuss or error messages, which is always a huge relief. Now onto the most critical aspect: print quality. This is where the ADFZAT 121A truly shines. For a compatible cartridge, the output is genuinely impressive. Text documents come out crisp, sharp, and with deep, consistent black tones. More importantly, for a color Laserjet, the color reproduction is vibrant and accurate. Whether it's graphics, presentations, or even photo prints on appropriate paper, the colors pop with excellent saturation and clarity. There's no streaking, no fading, and no blotchiness, even after printing multiple pages consecutively. The consistency from the first page to the last is something one would expect from a premium cartridge, and ADFZAT delivers on that front. One of the biggest advantages of choosing a compatible cartridge like this is the significant cost savings. When comparing the price of the ADFZAT 121A to its original HP counterparts, the difference is substantial, making it an incredibly economical choice for both home users and small businesses with high printing demands. Despite the lower price point, there appears to be no compromise on page yield or print quality, offering excellent value for money. The cartridge performs reliably, maintaining its high standards throughout its lifespan, which is crucial for uninterrupted workflow. For those who rely on their HP Color Laserjet 1500 or 2500 series printers for professional-looking documents and vibrant color prints, the ADFZAT 121A toner cartridge replacement is a highly commendable option. It offers a fantastic balance of affordability, ease of installation, and most importantly, exceptional print quality. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to reduce their printing costs without sacrificing the quality of their output. This compatible toner truly stands out as a reliable and efficient solution for maintaining your printer's performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.